Hello and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. This is the channel where I show you how to go from nothing to at least $1,000 per month in profit by publishing low and no content books on Amazon. So if you're brand new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, watch the free course, the link to that is in the description. If you think you already know some things about KDP but you want to take it to the next level, then check out my premium course, the Royalty Accelerator. The link to that is also in the description of this video. But in this really quick tutorial, I'm just going to show you a brand new feature in Canva that I discovered recently, so I thought I would make you aware of it. Now I believe if you're on the free version of Canva, you get this as well. So this is really great for everyone. If you don't design on Canva, this video probably isn't for you. If you're using something like InDesign or something else like Affinity, whatever you might be using, this probably isn't relevant for you. But yeah, let me show you exactly what this is. So this is just a cover I put together actually for a previous video. I wouldn't actually release this book. This is just purely for example purposes. This is definitely not up to standard as of yet. So here it is. Let's go. What you need to do is go to here and you go to Effects. So to change these kind of things in the past, the only thing I would have done in the past is just like duplicate that and then drag that out a bit and then maybe change it to orange or something and then put it to the back. So that's what I would have done in the past to get like an effect like that, something cool like that. But obviously now what you can do with these effects, and there's many different ones, you can do this much easier and much more professionally. So you could just do this one and then you can see it's done exactly the same thing, but it's done it much better, and you can change the direction. You can change the offset, so how strong it is. You can add some blur to it as well, that looks really cool. And you can make it more or less transparent. And obviously you can change the color of the thing at the back as well. So that's really, really awesome. That's the first one that you can do. And then you've also got lift, so you can see the difference there. It just kind of puts a little shadow behind it, which is really, really nice. Makes it stand out a little bit more. And then you've got this one, hollow, really nice. Splice, echo. All these different ones that you can try yourself. So here we go, what's this? Wow, that's really awesome. I've never actually seen that before. You've also got this one here, and you can change all these different things. So this is pretty cool, I would say. Whoa, look at that, whoa, whoa, whoa. And now if we compare that to how it was before with nothing on it, there we go. It looks way cooler when it's got all these effects on. So I would probably choose something like, I really do like this one. So I do hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it was only a really short one, but yeah, if you weren't aware of this before and you are now, then that's my mission accomplished. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you next time you tune into the Residual Royalty Academy.
They wanna count me out before